Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
And a pool is going to evaporate a quarter inch a day. I mean, a pool evaporates once a year, right?
No, it evaporates daily, but
he means the whole volume.
The whole volume,
yeah,
correct.
You'll evaporate the volume. A 12,000, 8
Correct.
foot deep, 12,000 gallon pool
Correct.
will evaporate once a year. Now, I know in June, it's more than that. I mean, in June, when we're at 9% humidity, it's 110, 115, but average, quarter inch a day.
Correct.
You're going beyond that. Turn your filler off and just check it. That's the first quick, easy check right there.
Correct. Yep. You can turn off the autofill, turn off the equipment, stay out of the pool, of course, and just watch it free fall. And if it drops inches or more than a quarter of an inch, you probably have an issue.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.